Tired of sipping coffee that leaves your taste buds pouting? Let's fix that. Welcome to Mocha Mornings. Today we're diving into the world of bitterness and coffee. We'll explore what makes coffee bitter and which choices give you a smoother sip with less bite. First up, bean type. Arabica beans are known for their smoother, more aromatic flavors with lower bitterness. Robusta beans, bold and punchy, but naturally more bitter and high in caffeine. Want a gentle taste? Stick with Arabica. Next, roast level plays a big role. Light roasts keep the beans' original fruit and floral notes, reducing that harsh bitterness. Dark roasts, they develop more of those bitter compounds during the long roasting process. If you're sensitive, choose a medium to light roast. Brewing method matters too. Cold brew is smoother and sweeter because the cold water avoids extracting harsh compounds. Espresso? Quick and concentrated, it can taste strong and bitter if over-extracted. Adjust brew time and temperature for a gentler cup. Here are a few pro tips to reduce bitterness. Use a coarser grind for slower extraction. Keep your brew water between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Warning: too hot pulls bitterness faster. Brew just long enough. Overdoing it leads to bitter flavors. And always use fresh beans. Stale coffee can taste sharp and harsh. Looking for smoother coffee? Try single origin Arabica from places like Ethiopia or Costa Rica, medium roast beans, and cold brew, especially if you enjoy iced coffee. These options give you a mellow flavor without losing complexity. Bonus tip: if roasted dark, brew at a slightly lower temperature or shorter time to lighten the bitterness. In the end, bitterness isn't the enemy. It's about balance. Explore different beans, roasts, and brew methods until you find your perfect cup. Enjoy this flavor fix? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coffee wisdom. Want the full deep dive with charts and visuals? Check out the blog post in the description. mocamornings.com/exploring-flavor-which coffee-is-less bitter/. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mocha Mornings.